Drummers often use a variety of instruments. Every drum kit has a kick or bass drum, hi-hat, cymbals and a snare. These three create the framework for contemporary commercial beats. Let's start with the basic techniques. Make the P sound. Make sure that you're using your mouth air and not your lung air. The beatboxing version of P for the kick drum is more pressurised, so close your lips a little harder, build up more air pressure, and then open your lips to explode the air. You can even add a little lip vibration to the sound. When you close your lips, purse them very slightly so the inside of the lips touch. This might remind you of the familiar raspberry sound. We're now going to use different vowel shapes. P, pa, po, to make different size kick drums.